Before understanding the relay board, we must understand a switch, a functionality of the switch. You can look upon in this video, when we press the switch on, the bulb will glow, and when we press the switch off, the bulb will not glow. Let me explain you the pins and ports of the relay board. If you are talking about single channel relay board, then there are 3 pins, out of which this one is VCC, this one is ground, and this one is input. It means 2 for power supply and 1 for signal. Okay, if this input will get the ground connection, then it will make relay on. And if you are talking about the ports, there are altogether 3 ports, out of which we only need 2 ports as we are using in the switch. In the same way, if you are talking about the 4 channel relay board, altogether there are 6 pins, 2 for power supply, VCC, ground, and 4 for the signal. If these signal pins will get the ground connection, this will make the relay on, and if it will not get the ground connection, then it will make relay off. In the same way, the 1 channel relay have 3 ports, and out of which we will use only 2 ports. Okay, let me give a power supply and now let me give the power supply to the relay board just by connecting the V-in pin and ground pin of the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module to the V-in pin should be connected with VCC pin of the relay board, and the ground pin of the ESP8266 should be connected with the ground pin of the relay. Now we are connecting the ground pin and we are triggering this relay. While connecting relay 1, the relay 1 is on, connecting on relay 2, 2 is on, connecting on 3, 3 is on, connecting on 4, 4 is on. It means when those input pins, when these input pins get the ground connection, it will make the socket on, and if it would not get the ground connection, then it will make the socket off. Let me verify you by using the multimeter. I am giving the connection in the input pin number 1. Now the relay 1 is on, and let me check whether it makes the socket on or not. We can check the socket is on or not by the continuity testing. Here is the multimeter, and the second number in the relay board there are 3 ports, first number, second number, and third number, out of which the first number will not work. We do not have the need of first number port. We only use the second and third number port, and if the socket is on, then it means the second number and third number port will act as closed socket. Let us see. Yeah, we are getting same by the multimeter. It means the socket is on, and while removing this, nothing is shown. It means when we provide the ground connection in the input pins of the relay board, it will make the relay on, and when we remove the ground connection, it will makes the socket off. And our tasks, if we talk about our tasks is that there are different digital pins in the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and by the programming we have to make these input pins as a ground. according to our requirement. This is our task what we have to do in the further sessions. So I hope you have understand. In short, I am briefing it again. There are two pins for the power supply, VCC and ground, and the input pins according to the number of channel of relay board used. If it is 4 channel, then 4 pins, 2 channel 2 pins, 8 channel 8 pins. And similarly here we have ports, out of which we use only second number and third number port. If it get the ground connection, then third number and second number and third number port act as circuit on, it will act as circuit closed, and when we'll remove the ground connection, it will break the circuit. Yeah, this is all about the relay board. Thank you.